Hello, my Ravelry name is Susie Bell, but my real name is Anne. Miss Babs asked me to make a few videos of some of the stitches unique to our April tour shawl. Although the written directions in the pattern are quite clear, sometimes it just helps to have a visual. The background for our shawl is reverse stockinette stitch, which is the same as saying the purl side, which is usually the wrong side, but in our case it's the right side. I have knitted a swatch and will work our demo stitches from the purl side. This video will demonstrate the 1 into 5 increase and the 5 into 1 decrease stitches. Both of these are centered stitches, and the increases and decreases will occur on either side of the center stitch. For reference, this is the center stitch, and we will be slipping it back and forth between the two needles. Insert your right needle between the first and second stitches of the left needle. Wrap your yarn and pull the loop through. This is increase number 1. Now slip your center stitch from the left needle to the right needle and insert your left needle between the first and second stitches of the right needle. Wrap the yarn around your left needle and pull that loop through. This is increase number 2. Now slip your center stitch from the right needle to the left needle and repeat those two actions again. Insert your right needle into the 2 stitches of the left needle, wrap your yarn, and pull the loop through. This is increase number 3. Move the center stitch to the right needle and insert your left needle between the first and second stitches of the right hand needle. Wrap the yarn and pull the loop through. This is increase number 4. Now place it on the right needle and then move your last stitch from the left needle to the right needle. Tighten up your stitches a little bit, and here is the nice fan-shaped 5-stitch centered increase. Okay, let's work the 5 and 1 decrease. Let me move along my swatch a little bit, find a fresh spot to knit into. Okay, so these are the 5 stitches that we are going to decrease into 1 stitch. Here is the center stitch. Slip 3 stitches to the right hand needle, and this is our center stitch. Now pass the second stitch on the right hand needle over the first stitch and drop it off. This is decrease number 1. Slip the first stitch on the right needle to the left needle. This is the center stitch that has just moved. And pass the second stitch on the left needle over the first stitch on the left needle. And this is decrease number 2. Now slip the stitch from the left needle to the right needle. Pass the second stitch over the first stitch on the right needle and drop it off. This is decrease number 3. Pass the stitch from the right needle to the left needle, pass the last stitch, and drop it off. This is decrease number 4. Now purl this single last stitch, and we've completed our 5 into 1 decrease.